going to go over a couple different exercises you can do both for your hip and your knee if you're dealing with pain and arthritic changes in either one of those. First, we sit in a chair and we want to stretch all the muscles that cross the hip and that cross the knee. So we can do that sitting in a chair. Simply straighten your leg like so, nice and tall, and lean forward until you feel a bit of a tug back in through here. If you pull your toes up towards your nose, you're going to feel that more in the gastroc versus having your foot pointed. So let's just get both those muscles at the same time. Hold that for about 10 to 30 seconds or longer even if you'd like. Again, you can do that both sides. So nice and tall and hip hinge forward versus rounding forward like this. Next, from this position, we're going to do some knee extensions. So if you want, you can wrap a band around the chair and your ankle, or even put a light weight on your ankle if you have one. If not, that's okay. And we're just going to straighten the leg and you can hold it here if you like, and just press out like that. You should feel the muscles contract a little bit in through here, in through your quads. Doing that about 10 to 20 times or so. Next, we can also do just some knee lifts. So just lifting your foot up like so. This is going to help strengthen the hip flexor, the muscle in the front of your hip. Doing that about 10 to 20 times. Next, we can also stand up, just go towards the wall and do some heel lifts. This is going to help strengthen your gastrocs and improve your balance. Doing that 10 to 30 times or so. Now I'm going to show you how to stretch the front of your hip muscles, the muscles in the front of your hip. Have a cushion on the ground for under your knee. Be in this position nice and tall, and we're going to shift our hips forward like this. You should feel a good gentle stretch in through here. You can hold this for 10 seconds, 30 seconds. I've held this stretch for 5, even 10 minutes before, and it just feels fantastic. Another way to stretch your hip flexor is to do it when you're standing, and all you need to do is grab a chair. We're going to get our knee on the chair. We can put our back foot up on the handlebar, on the handrest. So we're up like this, knees on the chair, and then we bring our hips forward. So simply bring the hips forward. And you should feel a gentle stretch in the front of that hip. Make sure you have a wall or something for balance. Again, you just hold this for 10, 20, 30 seconds. I've even held this for 5 to 10 minutes in the past, and it should feel really nice. It's going to really get a good stretch on your hip flexor and in your quad. So to do the other side, you just turn around. Again, knee on the chair, foot up on the armrest, nice and tall. And for a lot of people, this position is going to give a really good stretch already. If you don't feel that, then you just bring your hips forward a little bit. You should feel a really nice gentle stretch in the front of your hip. Hold for 10, 30 seconds or so. Again, I've even held this for 5 to 10 minutes in the past, and it should feel really nice.